We're at gotomath.com working some calculus. Let's go down to Extrema on an interval. And I believe this is the section here that we need to look at. And we got a nice little graph there popped up. It says find the absolute extreme on the closed interval. We're given the function, and here's the interval. Of course, this is the graph right here of f of x. And these two red dots indicate the minimum here and the maximum, which is going to be looks like it appears about right here. So this is kind of help you out here to get started. Well, let's get over to the whiteboard and write this stuff down. Alright, so let's bring up the whiteboard. And how about using blue? So let's go ahead and write down the function. We have f of x is equal to 0.18, and that's going to be my x minus 6 quantity squared, and we're on the interval between 4.7 and 14.5. So what we've been doing is we've been just going ahead and plugging the endpoints in. Now I'm going to save a little bit of time here. I'm going to let you go ahead and plug it in, but I'll tell you what you should get when you do this, right? You should get 10.3042 if you plug 4.7 in, and then if we plug in f of I'm about to sneeze here, 14.5. If we were to plug that in, you should get 23.005. Now the next thing that we need to do is go ahead and take the derivative of this, because there may be a might be a min or a max in there. So we're going to take the derivative. So take the 2, bring it out front, so we end up with 0.36. X minus 6, and of course derivative of the inside is 0. And then what we'll want to do is go ahead and set this equal to 0. That tells us where the tangent line is 0, the slope of the tangent line. Well, the solution to this is obviously going to be 6. So x is equal to 6, and then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and go ahead and put 6 into the function up here. And of course, if you do that, you know what? I left off something. That is terrible. 10 right here. Okay. So if you go ahead and put 6 in, we're going to get 0 here. So we'll get 10 out. Now we can go through and take a look at this. Our maximum looks like this is going to be the max, where the max occurs, and the minimum, it looks like this is where the min. So we're looking at these three values here, right? Okay. Now let's head over to back over to the web page, and as you can see right here, this is going to be where the min occurs. This is when x is equal to 6, and we get 10 out, and then this is where the maximum is occurring. It's occurring on this endpoint right here at 14.5. But I guess what we could do here is click the answer and make sure everything is kosher on that, right? So where are we at here? Well, for some reason I wanted to round to one decimal place, so that's what we're doing. Remember, this is 23.005, but we just rounded it to one decimal place. And then the absolute minimum is occurring when y is 10, or however you want to call that. F of 6 is 10, and so forth. Okay, so you can just click on the problem to get a new problem to come up. So you can just click instead of clicking on the button for this particular problem. Alright, new feature I added. Anyway, so head on over to GoToMath, and you may chat with me there. Alright, bye.